Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I was a former revenue officer. I've worked thousands and thousands of cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I've been on almost all the major news stations. Check me out at 777irs.com. I appreciate all the referrals, in fact, that you have sent me. And today I want to talk to you about IRS tax resolution, picking companies, and the dead giveaway that you're getting ripped off by a tax resolution company. You know, I get all the calls of people who've been ripped off. They finally been ripped off and they decided, well, we better check out maybe someone more credible, a former IRS agent. They see I've been around a long time. I've been on the national news. So they call me and they say, "Da, da, da," and all of a sudden it's very obvious why they got ripped off. And I'm going to tell you right now, within the first 3 minutes, you're going to know whether you're getting ripped off. And that's because you're speaking to a cheesy salesperson on the other end of the phone. Really cheesy. They're interested in having you sign a contract. They are there at that desk, at that office, probably going out for smoke breaks every hour, trying to sell you a contract into something that you have no idea what that company is going to do. Over and over and over, it is disgusting. Person after person, taxpayer after taxpayer, business after business gets ripped off by cheesy, pathetic salespeople that have absolutely no morals. They have no idea what's going on with the case. They don't have any investigative mind to know, to tell what's going to happen. They're not an enrolled agent. They're not an attorney. They're not a CPA, and they're not qualified to go ahead and give people a fee because they don't know what the hell's going on with the case. There's things you must do as a former agent to be able to tell somebody how to work their case and what you can do. You need to look at the IRS financial statement itself, the 433F, the 433A, the 433 AOIC, or 433B, and find out what's going on with the case. Once you see that, you can make a decision and tell accurately what's going to happen to the case. You can't bill anybody unless you see their financial statement. You just can't. So let me tell you something, and all love, not trying to get nasty or pissed off, but this does get my goat because these people and these cheesy salesmen rip people off for hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, and people just take the cheesy bait. You can't. Find out who you're talking to. If they're not an attorney, a CPA, a former IRS agent, or an enrolled agent, hang up the phone. You're speaking to someone. You might as well speak to a plumber, an electrician, even a doctor. They don't know what the hell they're doing here. I'm just telling you, you got to speak to a true professional. If you need me, call me. If you call my office, you speak to me. I want to help you. I can tell you whether your offer is going to get accepted or not within seconds of looking at your financial statement. Thank you so much for contacting me. I appreciate your time. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you so much.